Hey everybody, so I am back out in the woods and I've come up onto this bit of a clearing here. So I'm going to get myself set up and I will see you guys on the first sweet dig. So it is cold out. I actually had to scrape my windshield of my car today. So that was not very pleasant. So I've got these gloves on, as well as I will have my digging gloves. Staying warm. I've got layers upon layers on. Hello. Okay. All right, let's get going. $23, $24. Oh, it's a shotgun stamp. Oh, look at that. Okay. All right. I love finding these. I don't know what it is about them. I'm sure over time I'll be like, oh no, another one. But I cannot see what it says. It's pretty dark in here. Hopefully you guys can make it out. Let me see if I can get my light on it. I think it might say Dominion Imperial, if that even is what it says. Whoa. Okay. All right. That's pretty cool. I like finding these. Cool, cool. There we go. What's that? It's a quarter. I don't know if I can see the date on it. All right, well, I'll put a picture up if it's anything anything good. Ugh. Okay, anyways. All right, so it's a quarter anyways. It's another shotgun head stamp. Okay, and again, it's too dark. I can't even see. But anyways, I'm guessing it's probably a 12 gauge as well. Okay, so this one's a Dominion, and it's a 12 gauge. There we go. Okay, it's in the plug. that? Huh. What the heck is that? Huh. I have no idea what that is. Okay. Maybe if I get it cleaned up, I can figure it out, but I don't know. It's got a little bit of weight to it. I have no idea. Oh, and I just dropped it right in the hole. Oh my God, seriously? There it is. Okay, let's get that in here before I drop it again. So we have a 49. Okay, right there. What is that? Get out, it's a spoon. I didn't expect to find that. What did I say that was, a 47? Oh wow. I think this is a silver-plated spoon. Oh wow. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Oh, that is all right. Let's see what this says here. Look at that, that's so pretty. I don't know if that's old or not, but it looks like it's like a copper, right? That is really pretty. Let's see what it says on here. Oh, so it is a silver spoon. I found silver, you guys. As far as I know, this is a silver-plated spoon. Yeah, I think it's an antique from what I just quickly researched, but hopefully I will have more information for you guys. That is awesome. That made my day. Very, very cool. So I'm gonna kind of search this area here because that's just weird for a spoon to be sitting out like this. Very cool. All right. Very, very, very cool. So that is a silver-plated spoon, antique spoon. Tudor, I think it said Tudor. I can't remember. I'll put the wording up here. So yeah, I have myself a silver spoon. Very, very cool. Oh my goodness. Okay. Sheesh. What is that? Ugh, more of this wire. Do you hear that? It's like off in the distance. I can't tell if it's like a person or some sort of... What the heck is that? Weird. Okay. Alright guys, so that's it for today. I just want to take this time to thank each and every one of you for taking the time to watch my videos. And if you haven't already, maybe consider subscribing, hit that like button, and leave a comment because I'd love to chat.